Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So last time we had made a video specifically for solving five problems for 500 rated problems on CodeChef, and it was a month ago. And now I am Ganja. We have solved these five problems: cricket qualifiers, lucky seven, period day, double rent, and saving taxes. Now we will be solving from Masterchef Finals to determining the score. So I will try to explain based on my understanding. So let's start. So first question. MasterChef Finals. Chef has been working hard to compete in the MasterChef. He is ranked expert. However, only 10 contestants would be selected for finals. Check whether chef made it to top 10 or not. The chef, the first line, okay, is test case. Each test case consists of X current rank of chef. Okay. So basically, if X is no, chef rank is 15, which is greater than. Thus, okay, so basically, according to the question, X is the current rank of chef in this competition, and if he want to go in final, then he must be in top 10 position. So this X must be less than 10. So then only he will go into finals. Like you can see here, like 15 is greater than 10. That's why he was out of the contest, the finals. And like 10th position is equal to 10. So the output is here. Yes, it means he made into finals. So let's find we are making one variable for test case. So let x be the current position of chef. Okay, and we will take it as input, and we will use if condition where if x is greater than 10, then the output will be no, because he currently, if this condition states that the position of a chef is more than 10, so he will be disqualified from finals. Else he will be selected for finals. Yes, this might work. Yes, yeah. So this this condition will work. So, uh, I think you understood the question. I will give you a short summary. Where X is the position of chef currently in the competition, and if he wants to get selected for the finals, then his rank must be less than 10. So we made a if condition where if X is greater than 10, then the output will be no, that he's not selected. If no, if this condition is false, then the output will be yes, that he is selected. So yeah, this problem is solved. Cool. Now next question. Biryani classes. Nice question. Nice name. According to a recent survey, biryani is most ordered food. Chef wants to learn how to make world-class biryani for MasterChef. Chef will be required to attend the MasterChef classes for XP, and the cost for the classes per week is 5 points. Okay, so first we will make the test case. So we will take two input x and y, because we can see in input format there are two spaced integer x and y. X. Now, chef. Now we will see the sample. Chef will be required to attend MasterChef class for 1 week, and the cost of classes and coins. So here we can clearly see that for total amount, we have to multiply the cost of per week classes into number of weeks, basically x into y. Very simple question. I think you understood because we have to calculate the total amount of cost he would pay. So we will calculate it by number of weeks multiplied by number of uh, coins required, the amount required for 1 week. I think this will give the answer. 10, 15, 20. Cool. This problem is also solved. Okay, next question. So, chef plays Ludo. Chef is playing Ludo. According to the rules of Ludo, a player can enter a new token into the play only when he rolls a dice. Six. Okay. So, like before, we will make one integer t where we will store our test case in x. So here x is chef roll the number x on the dice, determine if chef can enter a new token into play. So basically, if x is equal to 6, then only he will be able to enter a new token in the play. See here, 6, yes, and in rest of 1 and 3, the output is no. Means we will use a simple if else condition where if x is equal to 6, then only he will be able to enter a new token. And if no, then the answer is no. Simple. I think you understood the question. So yes, we have solved this. Very easy question. Basically, same like the game of Ludo, where if the person gets 6, then only he will be able to roll the dice. So yeah, simple if else it condition was if we will use, and this problem will be solved. Next question. So how many unattempted problems? CodeChef recently revamped its product. Oh, we don't have to use test cases here. The first and only line of input contains two space separated integer x and y. The count of all problems in the beginner section and the count of chef's attempted problem. So we can clearly see in output that x minus y is the answer because see, and 1000 minus 990 is 10, 500 minus 1 is 499. A very easy question. We will make two variables, then we will take them as input, then count x minus y simply. This will solve the problem. Very easy question. Slowly, the level of question increase because currently we are at 264. I don't think you need help for this problem, but I'm doing that for people who may need it. So, next question. Determine the score. Chef appeared for placement test. There is a problem worth X points. Chef finds out the problem has exactly 10k test cases. Okay. So first we will make an integer t where we will store our test cases. Then we will make two integer x and n where x is uh, points of the problem and n is number of test cases which pass for chef solution. Okay. Notes, sample explanation for more clarity. So the problem is worth 10 points since there are 10 test cases. Each problem basically they're dividing it. Yeah, they're dividing it. The problem, like here, the problem is worth 100 points, and there are 10 test cases. Then each test case will be 10 points. Basically, 100 divided by 10. And here, 130 divided by 10, 13 problems. So we will divide x by 10 and then multiply it by n. Yeah. So we will make a new integer where we will divide x by 10, and then this a will be multiplied with number of test case, basically n. I think this will be the answer. Easy. Cool. So let me explain. So here, the problem was worth x point, and there were exactly 10 test cases, and the points, it is known that each test case is worth the same number of points. So basically, the test case will be equal to the number of points per problem. Okay. So here we can clearly see that if the problem is worth 10 points, then that particular problem will have 10 test cases. Then per test case will be equal to 1 point, basically 10 divided by 10, and then a number of here in this case particularly there were three test cases, so it will be multiplied with three. Basically, the point of one test case will multiplied by all the required test case. Basically, in test case one, the number of test case was three. In second, it was 10, and in third, it was four. So basically, we will take the points of one test case and then multiply it with the amount of test cases. So it will give you the total amount of points. So this is the idea behind the question. So we have solved all five problems. I will put the solution here. You can find it in description of the video. So I think you understand all the problems. So yeah, uh, I will make next video probably in 20 on 27th June, because I have exam, my semester exam. So maybe let's see, whenever I will get time, I will make one video. But now, please practice question on CodeChef. It will enhance your problem solving skill. Thank you very much.